This is quite the predicament, isn't it? Much better. Gorgeous. Trees are back. Things are changing. But oh my god, it's beautiful here. In other news, that is looking magnificent. Lake bed, desert farm. We're just eating this off-road. Made a wrong turn like 5 seconds ago and had to do some off-roading that wasn't necessary. I would have showed you if I wasn't extremely focused on not getting stuck. Had the completely wrong address apparently. Williams Road, here we go. I think there's our spot. Somewhere in that little section. This looks pretty good to me. Here. I wore the lake shirt today. We're at the lake. I have a puncture. Retire the car. Current game plan, drive it as far as I can as it leaks. Once I have to, switch out to the spare. I want to minimize the driving that I have to do on my little dinky spare. Get back to cell service, find a tire shop, see if I get any kind of warranty. I don't know. Main goal is just to find a tire shop, get it fixed. Yeah. Okay, we're back to the road. Let's check the tire. Definitely still leaking, but we're chilling. Other tires are fine. Let's go off into the sunset on a mission. What a stroke of luck. 5-minute drive. It's closed right now, but we should be able to find a spot till the morning and get it fixed right away and get right back on track. Feeling good. I'm a little triggered because this tire is like 3 months old and it's a puncture in the sidewall and you can't fix it. You can't patch a puncture in the sidewall. There's the town maybe. Del City. Might turn out to be my savior. The farm with a mountain view. Isn't that the dream? Here's where we're staying tonight. In the back of this gas station. I asked somebody where to stay and they were like, anywhere. I was like, you sure no one will mess with me? And she's like, yeah. So that's good. Hopefully we can get this sorted out. Hopefully somebody has a tire that fits. If not, then I'm going to be driving on the spare a little farther than I want to. What you going to do? So I'll see you in the morning. How's we looking? Not great. I guess I kind of got the knock just now. Somebody knocked to tell me to move out of the way of these gas tanks. How did they know? It's not looking so hot, big guy. Every time I have to do it, I realize that changing a tire is kind of fun.
Rito, it's time. Pit stop.
Good as new. Hey, how are you?
Good.
Trying to find a new tire because punching the sidewall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think we carry any tires that small.
Yeah.
Are you heading to El Paso or Carlsbad?
I can just go wherever I need to go to get the tire.
Yeah, because you're kind of in the middle of both. So it's like going to be an hour and a half either way.
Yeah.
There's no fuel either direction. There's really no services either direction until you get to town.
I'm just gonna start driving.
So, all right. Well, be careful heading to town.
Yeah,
So-
will do. Thank you. Thanks again.
No problem.
Thank you, Napa, and the kind lady inside. Off to El Paso. I think it's funny how in times like this, when you'd think you'd be down bad because of the circumstances, like, oh, I gotta deal with all this, like, oh, problems, throwing out my plans, that it's actually like the most calm, simple-minded, level-headed I've been in a while. Maybe because I know what I have to do, and when things get simplified, things are better. Things seem better. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that. 78 miles. City. We're almost there. Hold it together now. El Paso.
How can I help you?
Hello. Wondering if you guys had a certain tire size in stock.
Yeah, I have some Bridgestone Ecopia.
How much with install?
At 171.66.
Thank you so much.
Item 1 is I can help you.
I was trying to see if you guys had a certain tire size in stock.
Is that I have the 1 Douglas?
Are you guys busy today?
Yes, sir. I'm already booked for today.
No worries. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you guys have time for just a one tire replacement today?
Yeah. It's not actually that busy right now. You're looking at about an hour and a half to 2 hour wait. That's it.
I'll be buying a few then. Thank you.
Okay, sounds good.
Tragically, but also thankfully, we're back at Walmart to get this bad boy swapped out and get our tire fixed and get on our way. Hey, here we are. Check it out. New tire, new tire. Back to regular scheduled programming. Long day. It's 3:28. That's how long it took to get our tire fixed. Honestly, not that bad. Still just ridiculous. Anyways, well, let's go to the gym. All I can take away from that experience is a feeling of I should be in California schmoozing Dynaco right now. That's really about it. I like it here so far. Everybody seems way happier than wherever I've been, so that's cool.
No, this right bad for my health. I switched to it, but you really popping the fit. What am I in? What the hell? He talking slick, he gets like I got tummies on tummies, they ready to trouble him. Smoking on super truck, and then I said it, but you really nice anyway. Smoking on 30, smoking on ice, bitch, I'm way too high. Exciting face, I'm way too fried.
What is that? Damn, shit is bussin'. There's a river down there. In Mexico over there, just across the street. Gorgeous mountains. For now, we rest.
Wait, let me finish that part of the story. I was 8 years old when
Here's the current update. Dinner cooking. Eggs, spinach, cucumber. Oh, what does that look like? I don't know. cheese. That's it. And for tonight's course, we have scrambled egg on top of a bed of green. On top of a bed of greens. Eat up! Mmm, delish. Here's the setup. Need a wider angle lens to really show what it looks like in here. But you get the gist.
The new truck camper setup.
Here's how we watch TV.
Voyage.
I think that's gonna be it from me for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I will catch you in the next one.